everyone, and welcome to my channel. For today's look, I'm using this Bioderma Light Moisturizing Care Moisturizer. I really like the texture of this product. It melts right into your skin. As you can see here, I'm just applying it all over my face. Next, I'm taking this product right here, which is the True Match Lumi in the shade W12, and I'm just using a pea-sized amount for my entire face. I really like this foundation because it does give you a lot of radiance on your skin and a natural glow. I'm blending this product out using the Real Techniques Beauty Sponge. Now I'm taking this product from Benefit. It's the Boing Brightening Concealer in the shade number 1. And I'm just applying this all over my lid just to kind of conceal any blue undertones. This concealer is also really great for providing a nice makeup base for any eyeshadow that I'm going to apply on top. So I'm using any excess concealer left on my finger and just covering up any small blemishes that I might have all over my face. I'm taking this Smashbox eyeshadow palette. I believe it's called Photo Matte Eyes. It's really beautiful. It has a lot of nice matte shades and nice neutral tones. I'm using this brush from Still Cosmetics, and I'm just dipping into that lightest shade there, and I'm going to be applying this all over my lids. Picking up this Sigma Tapered Blending E40 brush, and I'm just going to pick up that color there that is, I believe, called Suede. It's a more of a warm toned brown, and I'm sweeping that all over my crease. So here I'm just using back and forth motions, making sure to get rid of any harsh lines in my crease and making sure that everything looks blended and flawless. Now I'm just picking up this product right here. It's by Benefit. It's the High Beam Liquid Illuminator. I'm just taking some on the back of my hand and popping that right on the lid. So after curling my lashes, I'm going in with one of my favorite mascaras. This is by Marcelle. It gives you a lot of lift, definition, and length. I'm just taking this Master Contour Palette by Maybelline, which is really great. It's a trio. It comes with a bronzer, a blush, and a highlighter. So for now, I'm just using the bronzer. So I'm just buffing that product into the skin. I'm adding it to my temples, forehead, cheekbones, and a little bit on my nose. So after bronzing my face, I'm taking this really pretty pink shade in the palette as well, and I'm just applying that to the apples of my cheeks and a little bit over my nose. Now I'm taking another one of my favorite products. This is also from the drugstore. To top off the lip liner, I'm using one of my favorite products ever. It's by Clarins. It's their Lip Comfort Oil, and I'm just applying this all over my lips. I really like this product because it adds a lot of hydration without feeling sticky. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button.